Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Krishna Prajapati with you. In today's video, we are solving a very important lead code problem. Remove duplicates from sorted array. This problem is super useful for understanding two-pointer technique, in place array modification, and how sorted array works. So let's understand the logic step by step with a fully dry run. What is the problem statement? Here given a sorted array, our task is to remove duplicates elements from the array and keep only unique elements inside the array and return the number of unique elements. Here you can see how many unique elements in the sorted array. So in the output we have to show how many unique elements inside the array, and we must to do this without using extra space. So let's understand with the example 1. Here is the given sorted array. Here is a 1 1 2 and the unique elements are 2, only 2. So in the output we have to show unique elements numbers, how many numbers inside sorted array. So here in the output we have to show here in the array which elements are unique in the sorted. Let's another example understand. Here is the sorted array given and there are many duplicate elements inside the array. So here is unique elements are, you can see 0 1 2 3 and 4 is equal to we have to show output is 5. So here you can show output is 5 and the unique array is 0 1 2 3 4. So here you can see what have to do. So let's talk about my idea. Since the array is already sorted, so duplicate elements always stay together, not different place indexes. So we can solve this efficiently using two pointers. So let's first we start the code. After we understand what the code is saying. So first of all we have used the public, so the everywhere we can access. Here we have to return the particular value. So I write to integer value. So it's given it return the value in the last. So I take the integer and after I take the name remove duplicate array. So here we take vector because of dynamic value, and here the variable of the array is given nums. So I here take the nums. So we using two pointer method. So first of all I take first variable is equal to 0. I take from the 0 and now I take the for loop inside second variable, start from first index. J is the traverse the array and checks every element. So I stores here we mention I stores unique elements and J explore the array. So now we fulfill the condition. Here up to array the size and increase j. Here we cut that and right here. And now I write if condition. This checks did we find new unique elements inside that. So the if condition for that. So I write if nums of I is does not equal to nums of j, then increase the I, and after nums of I assign the value of j, because I stores unique elements, I told you, and here it check the new unique element get or not. So here he check, and after that all the things are done. It's return its total index. Here you can see why with this write return I plus 1, because this I stores the last unique index. Meaning of that, if the last unique index is 2, let's take an example here. Here you can see the last index unique element is 2, but the total unique elements are 3. So for that, I plus 1 is equal to total unique elements which we have to show in the output. So for that, I write the return I plus 1. Let's understand with the dry run. So here you can see, I take an example. So here I take input 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3. Then here the unique element and unique elements are 3. So in the output we have to get 3. So for that, here in the code I taking the variable using two pointer method. So here I start from I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1. So here I is 0th index, so its value is 1. So here its value is 1 in the array, and g is equal to 1 is also its value is 1. So nums of I and nums of j here you can see, and the condition, now go to the condition. First, all the condition are false. Here you can see the step 1 and j is equal to 1 also. You can skip, the condition is skip. And in the second condition, here you can see nums of I and nums of j. If the nums of j and nums of I does not equal to 2, then the condition is true, and after the inside the condition, if condition, if the nums of I does not equal to nums of j, then increase the I and assign the value of nums of I into nums of j, and this type of after to goes to the nums dot size, and after all the conditions are valid and ended, after the return its index, so we can get output which is needed in the test case. So we submit that. Nums of I, nums of j, here is the not bracket. Variable name is wrong. So here again I that remove duplicate array. I refresh this. Then some kind of problem in this. I copy that and refresh this. So here I again submit. What kind of no member name will remove duplicate. So what is the duplicates? I write remove duplicates. If check, yes, test case is accepted. So here you can see all the test cases are accepted, no edge cases are minus. So here you can see, and we talk about the time complexity. So the time complexity is OFN because of single traversal, and space complexity is OF1, no extra space is used. So here is that's it the problem. If the explanation about helped you, then like, subscribe and comment the next LeetCode problem what you want. See you in next video. Thank you.